Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into Routine Station. In this video, we are going to talk about the crypto money cycle. As you may know, or as you saw in the different posts on the social medias, there is this famous path to alt season. Money first comes to the Bitcoin because it is less volatile, the risk is low, and then it goes to Ethereum, and from Ethereum, money goes to large cap, and then we can see the alt season. This cycle was totally different based off different facts we can see on the chart. First of all, money came to the Bitcoin as well as some narratives like AI. AI pumped from the bottom of the market to like crazy like fetch AI. We can see around from here to the top, around 5,400, 5,500% money pumped. It was the bottom of the bear market. No one was expecting this coin they will pump, but the result was those investors, they believe on these narratives or this project, they gained a lot. Therefore, this money cycle could be a bit old, and we can see a different behavior from the investor in the market. Money came to the Bitcoin as well as some altcoin with the fundamental, with the narrative mostly like AI. Then we saw a lot of meme coin they pumped in this bear market and the beginning of the bull run. And now I want to talk about something different, about the money management. Is it safe if we want to stay for the next of this ride? Because many people on social media, on X, Twitter, former X, and YouTube, they're still talking about the Fed in the $30, in the $50. If we have a look on Crypto Perspective, we can see about the Fed. I just put these targets 5, 10, 20, 30, and 50, just to be, to see what will happen if Fed goes as high as $50. Now, what we can see about the economy of the coin, about the token supply of the coin, almost 91% of the coin are in circulation, which is good. We see max and the total supply. It is good. Then let's focus on the market cap. The market cap of this crypto asset, even if it's reached as big as $50, still it is under the market cap of Cardano during the last bull run. Then about the market cap, it has a plenty of room to grow around $50. Okay, then what is the return on investment? If it reached from now to 50, we can expect to see around 18x. I'm not saying that Fed will go to 50, but I just want to measure the risk here. Okay, it can go as high as $50, then I can expect around 1,700% if it reaches to 50. Now, what should I do? Should I stay from here to 50, or it's better to de-risk my investment? Because if we just have a look on the chart and just show this chart to some technical analyst, say, okay, this momentum is extremely overbought territory. It doesn't mean that it cannot expand or this coin cannot go higher, but at least we can see this kind of retracement like here, then this crypto can go again higher. But what can I do with this retracement? Should I stay? What should I do with my risk? Should I wait for this coin for retracement and increase my risk? Or the other option is find another narrative. At least remove my capital from this investment, take it out my capital, take out some of, let's say, my profit, because just from here, look, from the bottom of this bear market, whoever invested, now it is around 5,000% profit. Just imagine, okay, this person got from on average at the DCA from 8 cents until now, again, it's around 3,000% in benefit. Then most probably these people, what they do, they will take some profit out of this trade, like the way they did here, Now, what should I do with my money? Okay, the market still is going on. I'm expecting, of course, this is not the financial advice, I'm not the financial advisor, but based off the social media I'm covering every day on my another YouTube channel, I can see people are expecting to go higher. Then now, what should I do? I can find another crypto asset to invest on. On Cryptopective, I just listed this kind of crypto. Like new project, like Dimension, they are in the first bull run and they want to go to print a new all-time high. Like a Casta, very volatile, high risk, high reward project. Like a TokenFi, the first bull run want to see in the market. The same for Zeta. Like a Kosama, still lagging behind of many projects. You can see the price to a percent to the real all-time high, still it is 1100%. Okay, here the maximum thing I'm expecting is 1700%. And if I just now invest on my capital on the Kosama, then I can go even the same level, but I'm decreasing my risk, because let's have a look on the Kosama chart. You can see it's lagging behind of FET, because FET is printing a new all-time high. But this one still has around, how many percent? We can see around 1150% to the all-time high and around 1100% with the model of the Cryptopective. Then in this way, I want to decrease my risk to be in a safe side. If this FET going to reverse the market, it will come around to the first support 83%, to the second support around 93%. But for Kosama, the risk level, if it wants to come back to the first level of support, is around 42, and here to the bottom of this bear market around 66%. This is the way we are talking about the money rotation. Most of the people, the big investor, they do this kind of money rotation. That's why when we have a look on the total just increased by from here to here around 150%. But if we have a look on a single coin, we can see around 3,000, 4,000, 5,000%, because money is rotating from one altcoin to the other one. Then this is the things I consider for my money rotation. The other things I consider, okay, AI had a great narrative. Many coins, they pumped based off AI narrative. Still, the narrative is valid. Still, people willing to invest. What is the narrative, the other narrative people they're looking for, and they are lagging, and still they didn't pump? Modularity, one of them. You can see. Payment could be. A real world asset, like a TokenFi. Interoperability and cross-blockchain. Layer 1, and the other social media things people they are talking. Then just for the comparison, I consider the TokenFi, and I see what is this narrative. Okay, this one, it has around $82 million, and the fully diluted valuation is $671 million. How is the situation of this narrative? Okay, Ondo is the first one. It has around $700 million market cap. Where is this one? It is around rank 563. Still, it has plenty of room for the market cap to grow, to come to the among the, let's say, the first fifth one in this rank. I'm not saying it will flip, but still it has this potential. Then what I do is I'm not then focusing on the chart. I try to see how is this chart, they are relative to each other. What you can do, now we can say, okay, I want to invest on TokenFi. I say, okay, token USDT. This is the chart for the token USDT. I'm not going to enter or click, just you should make a divide by what you want to divide. I want to divide it by FET USDT. Why you want to divide it by FET, not Bitcoin, not Ethereum? Of course, I have to consider where is the situation of this coin with respect to the Bitcoin, with respect to the Ethereum, with respect to the market. But the reason is, now I have a FET. I want to see if I invest on a FET, or if I want to stay on a FET, or if I want to reinvest on a token, which one has a great return on investment? Then enter. I can see this chart. Okay, this chart, it's going down. Everything in an oversold territory. This narrative with respect to the FET narrative. Now I just made a list here, for instance, for the dimension, for the casta. Then I can have a chart with the indicator. I can see, okay, how this chart is behaving. What should I do with this chart? Okay, is it going to pump or not? Then, for instance, I put the XRD radix just for this. Okay, now look, if I stayed on a FET in, let's say, let's put it in daily. If I stayed on a FET from here to here around nine days, I didn't do that much. Also, coin went down. But if I removed my capital and insert it to the radix, I could earn around from the bottom to here around 90%. This is the things I'm talking. Money is rotating from one altcoin to the other altcoin. That's why we cannot see the total is pumping as hard as the other crypto assets. In this way, what we can do, we can de-risk or reduce our risk and go to the other coin. Of course, it is important to see which crypto we want to rotate, which asset we want to consider to buy. You should consider the narrative. You should consider the chart of that specific coin. For instance, I just said about the Kosama. We can say, okay, about the Kosama, where is Kosama is located? Okay, we can see kind of divergence here on the chart. The indicator is not following the price, but the price was higher than the last top, and then kind of bearish divergence. Then we can expect to see Kosama can come as low as, for instance, $40. Then I can sell my FET around this price, for instance, $2.70, $3, $2.50, and then wait to see what will happen and then get this right. But FET can go higher also for the Kosama. If you don't want to be out of the market, you can just sell your FET at the same time, just buy your Kosama or whatever you want to consider it. Then from that price, what I can get, I can get this right around 1,150%. This can come, and it was the level of the risk just we discussed about it. I hope you like this kind of content. If you like it, please consider to subscribe to the channel. Every day I have a video talking about the risk, talking about the price prediction on the market, not based off the price chart, but based off the market cap. And here I'm just sharing my curiosity about the cryptoverse. See you in the next video. Peace out.